So welcome to the Serenity Essentials channel. We're gonna get right into this, y'all. I started off by making 2 sections, ear to ear. The other section is in the front, and I went ahead and separated that by a middle part. For this size, your first row should be at the tip of the ear. In the back, I pre-parted 5 rows, and in the front, I pre-parted 6 rows. Each side has 3 rows. This actually saved me so much time, y'all. I highly recommend. The first row should have 4 braids, and the next row should have at least 5 braids for the bricklay look. Make sure to keep the flyaways out of your braids for a seamless look. The easiest way I can explain feeding into y'all is to place the braiding hair in between your pointer finger and your thumb and continue to braid. Make sure you add a little bit of product to your client's natural hair when you're braiding it down so that everything stays in place. Alright, so we're getting somewhere. We did go with a blonde color in the back for the first couple of rows, just to give a little highlight, a little peekaboo, you know, give it a little spice. So we're adding some synthetic curly pieces to the front of her hair. We didn't add any to the back just because we didn't want to worry about all that tangling and stuff like that. Y'all know how that hair can be sometimes. To make it easier for you, yes, you can ask your guests to hold the curly pieces. The product of choice today is the Serenity Essentials Hair Oil. This multi-use oil is a great way to ensure your hair and scalp are protected without harsh chemicals and parabens that actually make your scalp worse. This hair oil is great for natural styles like locks, twists, sister locks, I mean, the list goes on. A lot of people forget this step after they finish their protective style. You have to make sure that you're using the right products and that you are moisturizing your scalp after you're finished so that it's actually a protective style. Y'all, so we are at the finish line. Look at these beautiful braids. That's the length we went with. So this is the finished results, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel, join the community.